Hello there. This shirt is the same color as my skin. How delightful. Hi y'all, I'm Mary Grace. This is not our usual setup, but it's still everything artsy and I'm still Mary Grace. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than our other usual art videos, but we're talking about the art of the perfect top messy bun. So get excited. I'm going to teach you my tricks to getting this look. Let's go. So what you're going to need, because even though this isn't a normal craft video, you still need supplies. You need a ponytail holder. Some people call this other things. I call it a ponytail holder. So yeah, like 4 or 5 bobby pins, not many. It's super easy. And then a hairbrush. And if you want to go crazy, because we are going to go crazy, a bandana. Woohoo! So let's go. So step 1 is you take your hair and you're going to tease the mess out of it. I usually like to do top buns when my hair is like really oily or crazy or something, because then you can kind of like hide it and don't have to wash it just yet. So all teasing is you taking the brush, hold your hair, take the brush, and you're gonna brush backwards. And I do this because I have like finer hair, so to get like a nice full top bun and messy, I need it to be thicker, and teasing it gives that illusion. So once you've teased it, and like I'm saying, you can go crazy, you're going to throw it up in a ponytail on the top of your head. And so like I like to go upside down and do this. So, and now your hair is kind of on this crazy ponytail, and make sure it's on the top of your head. And you're just gonna tie it on up there. And then once it's up there, you can tease it a bit more, because you kind of like we're pulling on it and stuff. So it looks crazy, but I do this. And then I'm going to twist it around the ponytail. So it's like I'm making a cinnamon roll. And now once it's like this, ooh la la, you put the bobby pins in. So take the bobby pin and you're just going to start pinning your hair down. And sometimes the pins get twisted and they won't go in, so make sure that they're all good. I usually put I usually put 4 in on each side, and then if I feel any loose areas. But so this is the bun. I'm gonna spin. See how easy that is? And you can like pull it out where you need to pull it out, or do what you need to do, and it's just super easy. I mean, like, it is messy, it is kind of crazy, but that's what we're going for. And then if my hair is super oily, or if I just want to have a lot of fun, I'll take a bandana, and this is like a scrunchy bandana. So I take the bandana and I'm going to put it around the bun, like this. So it looks like this, and then bring it around the bun, and you're gonna tie it. Just do a simple little tie in the front, and I think that's pretty cute. And you can like twist it around as many times as you want, but again, we'll do like a little spin. This is the final look. So I really like it. I think this is super cute. It's really fun, and it's a great way to do your hair when you don't want to wash it, or when you're just looking for like a fun way to spice things up. I know a lot of people have come to me and they're like, I have no idea how to do this messy bun. And honestly, it's all about teasing your hair, because when you tease it, you have more control of it, which like sounds crazy, but it's easier to work with. And then put those bobby pins in. Don't just use a ponytail holder. Don't try to like twist it around and then put the ponytail holder in, because like that's crazy and makes it harder. So this is like a neat messy bun, you still feel cute and not like I tried and failed. With this, try and succeed. So yeah, thank y'all for joining me, and I hope all of your messy bun days are beautiful and not messy. Okay, bye y'all. Hey, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more of my everything artsy videos where we talk about everything artsy, even the art of the messy bun. So yeah, see y'all next time.